don't go and do your thing if you don't know what the you're doing, okay? Because it's really painful, expensive, painful. You lose a lot of time, you lose a lot of money, and maybe you lose even like the energy to do it over and over again once you have too many disappointments, right? The number one reason why you probably fail is because you gave up. That's the only reason why you fail if you don't keep going. And I didn't keep going with it because mistake number two, I had no idea how to launch. So I went on my Facebook wall because I was so focused on this project for so many months, and it was very present in my day every single day for many, many different months. So I thought, sometimes we think, oh, everyone else knows what we know. Well, actually not, right? And I went on Facebook and I put out a couple of posts on my Facebook wall and said, hey, my course is ready. Click the link and buy. I had no idea how to actually warm up an audience, build even the audience in the first place. So I actually didn't have even an audience of people who are interested in doing the thing. I had no idea how to warm up the audience, and I had no idea how to sell and how to launch the whole thing. Therefore, actually right now, it's my passion to teach people how to launch properly.